The 2024 Ford Mustang Mach-E is an all-electric crossover with pony car-inspired styling touches and great available levels of performance. We've got a few trims to discuss, some powertrain options, and the inclusion of a new top-spec performance model for those who like slinging their vehicles down dirt roads. Which 2024 Mustang Mach-E is right for you? Let's walk through the lineup and figure it out. The Mach-E offers a choice of motor layouts and battery sizes on its two lower tier trims, the Select and the Premium. The standard range battery is a 72 kilowatt-hour battery pack and can be paired with a single motor rear-wheel drive or a dual motor all-wheel drive setup. The single motor setup delivers 264 horsepower and 387 pound-feet of torque and has an estimated driving range of 250 miles. Dual motor setups with the standard range battery deliver 325 horsepower and 500 pound-feet of torque, but only dole out 230 miles of range. Let's jump to the extended range 91 kilowatt-hour battery pack. On the Select, this is only offered on the dual motor version. On the Premium, however, you can choose rear-wheel drive or all-wheel drive. Both the GT and Rally are only available with the bigger battery dual motor powertrain package. The larger battery single motor Premium gets the best range with an estimated 320 miles. Power-wise, it's rated to deliver 290 horsepower and 387 pound-feet of torque. Finally, the most powerful combination is the big battery dual motor. On the Select and Premium, it's good for 365 horsepower and 500 pound-feet of torque. It's also good for 300 miles of range. Move to the GT though, and power rises to 480 horsepower and 600 pound-feet of torque, while range dips to 280 miles. There's an available performance upgrade version of the GT that pushes torque to 700 pound-feet, and this setup is standard on the Rally. It sounds fun, but be aware that the range dips to 265 miles, and that's if you can stay off the accelerator. The base version of the 2024 Mach-E is referred to as the Select. On the outside, you get LED lighting front and rear, heated side mirrors, projection puddle lamps, a black painted rear spoiler, and a set of 19-inch machine face aluminum wheels wearing all-season tires. Slide inside and you'll find an 8-way power adjustable driver's seat, a 10.2-inch digital gauge cluster display, wireless phone charging, and a massive 15.5-inch center display arranged in a vertical layout. The system runs on Sync 4 and features wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The headlights have auto high beam. The safety features include the full suite of Ford Copilot 360 Tech Assist 2.0, and with an adapter, you should be able to use the Tesla supercharging network alongside the other types of charging stations out there. Plus, the Mach-E can handle up to 150 kilowatt charging speeds, which is nice. The 2024 Mustang Mach-E Select starts at $41,890 for the standard range single motor version. Next, we move to the Mach-E Premium. Outside, you still get machine-faced 19-inch wheels, but now there are black trim accents all over the place. Inside, you add on ambient lighting, heated front seats and steering wheel, memory for the driver's seat, power adjustability for the front passenger, and the addition of the Bang & Olufsen 10-speaker sound system. The Premium offers the most choice between battery and drive motor setups, but it all starts with that standard range rear-wheel drive version, and that one starts at $45,890. Now we're on to the more performance-minded models with the GT. Obviously, the performance has gone way up, but style-wise, you're getting a bit more as well. The GT gets a unique front fascia and the pony badge is illuminated. You'll find 20-inch wheels at the corners, while a peek inside reveals the Ford Performance front seats. In terms of mechanical upgrades, the GT gets a more powerful front motor, Magna-Ride damping, and Brembo front brakes. Additionally, the GT also comes equipped with Ford's Blue Cruise Highway hands-free driving system. The starting price of the GT sits at $55,890. However, if you want to unlock the GT Performance package, it's just an extra $995 over the standard GT price. And there's also the new GT Bronze Appearance package, which adds on bronze wheels and a bronze graphic on the nose. It can be paired with either black, white, or green for the main paint color. That one will cost you an extra $1995. If you do select it, then the performance upgrade dips to $745. Finally, we land at the new top-spec Mach-E, the Mach-E Rally. This one won't be for everyone, but I absolutely love the idea of it. The suspension, which is still magnetic ride, has been tuned for rallycross purposes. There's aluminum skid plate protection, LED fog lamps integrated into the grille shield, a raised rear spoiler, black painted roof, and a set of 19-inch wheels wearing Michelin Cross Climate 2 all-season performance tires. And Ford includes the GT Performance upgrade as standard kit on this one. The Mustang Mach-E Rally starts at $61,890. So which one should you buy? Of course, my heart immediately goes to the Rally, but let's be real here. Most folks don't need that power, won't get these in the dirt, and could also do with more range. I think for the price, the best bang for your buck is a Mach-E Premium with the 91 kilowatt hour battery pack. If you don't need all-wheel drive, that's even better since you get the most range, but the better middle ground of fun power and good range is the dual motor. You're going to land right around $50,000 before any options to bring the price up or potential credits or incentives to bring it back down. So if you can keep it around that figure, you're doing pretty well.